Okay, hi Jane. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna show you how to scan. Let's say I needed something to scan, so I have this Bed Bath & Beyond receipt. We're gonna show you how to scan that. What we're gonna use is this little sleeve that I told you about. So the first thing you do is you put the thing you want to scan. If it's small, big things you can put directly in the scanner. That scanner. Small things that aren't 8.5 by 11, you put into the sleeve. So just push it all the way to the top. Just kind of straighten it out, close that, now it's ready to go. So before you can use this ScanSnap machine, what we need to do is come over to the Mac, and we're gonna see this little picture of a rocket. We're gonna push that picture of a rocket with, drive the mouse over and push the picture of a rocket. Normally what comes up first, you have 2 pages of apps or programs that come up. You're gonna look for the thing that says ScanSnap. It's not on your first page, so you're just going to use the mouse to come to your second page of programs. The one we're looking for is this one that says ScanSnap Manager. Now it looks a lot like the one that says Skype over here. Skype isn't it. You want the one that says ScanSnap Manager. So all we do is drive over to that. We're going to push it. You're going to see it bouncing up and down on this menu bar and stop bouncing. Once it stops, it's totally good to go. Nothing else happens on the screen. So now what that did, we just activated our scanner machine, yeah. So now we're gonna take this sleeve just the way you have it, and we put it in, just like the picture here shows us. We're gonna put this in face down. So I'm gonna make this be the right size, like that. And it's face down. See the receipt is face down. And once your page is in, the only thing you do, watch this little blue button here, that makes it happen. So now it's in. All you do is push the blue button. Okay, it just scanned it. It actually scans both sides, but oh well. So now what happens once we scan it, this comes up on your screen. That's good. Now there's a few choices you have. The only one you need is the one that looks like a file folder. You got that one in? Okay. That one looks like a file folder. Drive your mouse over to that file folder, click on it, and it's gonna save what we just scanned right up onto your desktop. Here's the name it wants to give it. It's this big, long, weird number combination thing. It's stupid, you'll never find it again. So what I do, I come over to that thing, and I backspace, I delete over it, and then we're gonna call it, we'll call it receipt. Let's just call, yeah, you're right. Let's just call it receipt. Receipt. Okay, I'm calling it receipt. Now we're gonna push the button that says save. If you just look over here, it just popped up. There it is. The thing we just scanned now is popped up on your screen. You can do anything you want with that. You can email it to people, you can print it, you can text it, do whatever you want. If you ever want to see it, just drive your mouse over to this thing, receipt.pdf, double click, and there it is. There's the front side, here's the back side. That's it. So I did scan the picture. You don't need to have all this on video, but I did scan the picture.